almost ready.
What's ready, Sammy? What's all this?
Hey, put it down!
Fine, but please explain.
Well, isn't it obvious? I want to catch a fairy to prove that they exist.
What? Sammy, you can't. No fairy will allow to be treated like this. We need to offer a beautiful house to a fairy. Then she might come.
Oh, a beautiful house. Well, fine. Go on, get started, and I'll go select some decorations.
Hi, guys. Welcome to a fairy tale.
Oh, a cardboard fairy tale?
Well, of course not. But we're going to use cardboard to make the house for our fairy.
But of course, she's so light and graceful. We need a house like that, too. Guys! Do you believe in fairies?
Clap your hands if you do.
But it'll be best if you hit that like button. Then we'll know for sure how many of our viewers believe in fairies.
What if they give a like if they just like the video?
Well, it's still an important indicator. So, what do you have here? A magical construction inspection.
Uh-oh. What if I fail the inspection?
Everything's in order, Sue. You may continue.
Phew! What a relief.
But the parts for the house are quite unusual, I should say.
No wonder. It's a fairy tale house.
Then I'm off to get fairy tale decorations.
Sammy, who's going to help me?
Summon some magic to help you.
Magic? Guys, I'm going to need your help for that. Hit the small bell below the video and let the magic begin. Look, our magical base is ready. It's time to add all kinds of pretty details. On top, we're going to have this little tower.
And there's also going to be this plant on top.
What?
Well, fairies love plants. It's for attracting their attention.
Sammy, it's a good idea, but the cardboard won't support the weight of your plant.
Oh, fine. I was unaware there were limits here.
And that was Samuel, the grumpiest slime ever. Just a bit more, and our wonderful detail on the roof is done. Now let's add another one.
Oh, my feta!
Oh, what's going on?
Sue, what's going on? Where do these wings come from?
I think that's the viewer's magic in action. Guys, admit it. Who wanted our Sam to become a fairy?
No, you've got it all wrong. I don't want to be a fairy. I want to catch a fairy. Ah!
That's magic. Carefully now. There. Now our house has a base.
Ah!
Calm down, Sammy. You wanted to learn to fly, didn't you? Sammy? He's quiet. I hope he's fine. Right, let's add one more eave right here. Coming out very cute. There's also going to be a chimney on the roof of our house.
Right. This way the fairy will understand that she's in for a very warm welcome.
Sammy, did you get rid of the wings?
What wings? There were no wings.
No wings, but you…
There were no wings!
Fine, I get it. Guys, if you liked Fairy Sam, give him a like. Huh, what's this cloth?
It's a carpet. Place it inside.
Sammy, perhaps you could search for a prettier carpet?
Not this one. Fine. A moment.
Looks like Sam's decorating skills sometimes fails.
Susie, I found prettier carpets.
My dear Sam, a kitchen towel is not a carpet. And is this my t-shirt?
Oopsie.
Oh, Sammy. And the house is coming out so nice.
I hope you didn't forget about a door and windows.
Of course not. We'll make them right away. Guys, be careful with the cutter.
And while you were cutting out the openings, I made the door.
This door is awesome, Sammy. Let's glue it in.
Go on. I'm sure you've noticed that I've already glued hinges made of craft foam.
Oh, I sure have. Now the door can open and close easily.
Right, Susan. It's time to get ready for the most important step.
The outer decor?
Yes! May the decorating force be with us. Guys, that fairy transformation messed my head up. Please write all the fairy names you can remember. I Can't even recall if Ariel is a mermaid or a fairy.
Ariel is a mermaid, Sammy, and Tinkerbell is a fairy.
Oh, right. Let our viewers write more. There can't be too many fairy names.
Yeah, fairy names are beautiful. I wonder if a fairy can be called Susan.
Huh. I need to think on that. And you can start on the decor.
Yes, Mr. Boss. Guys, Sam and I prepared lots of decor pieces. Here we have planks and roof tiles. And even bricks for our chimney. We need to glue everything in place.
I figured out that to make your name a fairy name, you need to add something to it.
Like what?
Like Suzelin or Sulily.
Sulily? Very unusual. Guys, do you like it? Give a like if you do.
Wow, and I really like how it's coming out, Sulily. You're a real master of fairy houses. Oh.
Thank you. Have you got any more decor ideas?
Yes, sure. A moment.
Oh, Sam switches between tasks so fast. And I finish one task first, then I start another.
Susie, look! Which one do you like more?
Both of them don't look too good. It seems that this fairy transformation really messed with you, Sammy.
Yes, I need to come to my senses and eat a candy.
Will it help?
Ugh, that's some question, Sue. When did a candy not help me?
Indeed, candies quickly bring Sam back to his senses. And I'll use these paints to give the house a more finished look. Oh, wonderful, Sammy! That's more like it.
All thanks to the magical candy. Where should I put it?
Wait a bit, I haven't finished painting yet.
Well, fine. You'll place it somewhere when you're done, okay?
Sure.
And I'll bring one more thing. Fairies definitely love that.
Huh? What do fairies definitely love? What do you think, guys? Okay, the painting is coming to an end. I'll add a bit more details. Done!
Wow! I'm even ready to become a fairy again to live in a house like that!
Let's set your beautiful sign right here. And we can wait for a fairy.
I really hope this amazing house attracts the fairies' attention.
Well, we can only leave it and wait. And you guys, you can give this video a like and share it with your friends. Bye!
Yes, I need to add one more thing.